What's up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. For this video, I'm going to show you how to check Cash App balance without the app. First, open a browser app on your device and search for the Cash App help to contact a customer support representative. In this website, scroll down until you see the contact support and tap on it. Now you will have the option to contact a support by calling this number and by contacting their official social media accounts. Now, when you're connected to a Cash App support representative, then briefly explain them that you need to check your Cash App balance. Note that the representative will never ask for your password, PIN, and a full card number. Simply wait for them to check your balance. You can also check your balance using their official website. Go over to the Cash App website. Now click the login button at the top right. Log in using your mobile number or using your email. When you're logged into your account, you should be able to see your balance. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below and we'll see you on the next video.